How to make keto salad sandwiches. The ingredients: 2-ounce romaine lettuce, 2-ounce cream cheese, 2 tablespoon butter, half medium avocado, 4-ounce cherry tomatoes, sliced, 1/4 medium cucumber, sliced, 1 ounce parmesan cheese, shaved. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. 2. Rinse and dry the lettuce. Lay it out on a plate, this will be the base of your sandwich. 3. In a bowl, combine the cream cheese and butter. Mix together thoroughly. 4. Spread the cream cheese and butter mixture onto the lettuce leaves. 5. Top with avocado slices, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, and parmesan cheese. 6. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of keto salad sandwiches. Each serving comes out to be 354 calories, 32.4 grams fat, 5.3 grams net carbs, and 9.3 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.